Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you how I make pork shoulder stuffed with ground turkey and boiling eggs. This is very nice recipe for Easter dinner and I hope you enjoy. I cut the meat already and now next step I will pound to make more even and more flat. The pork shoulder is nice and flat right now and I will soak in apple vinegar for just 1 hour. For my stuffed pork shoulder I need spices. I need black pepper, cayenne pepper, green parsley, paprika, salt and 3 different colors of paprika. I have orange, red and yellow. And give me my stuffing nice color. The mini peppers is chopped. Adding this to turkey. 2 cloves of garlic. Salt. Red pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon Cajun pepper, just a little bit for extra spice, and green parsley, just a little bit green, and mix everything. Everything is combined, looks beautiful, lots of colors and green and red and yellow, orange. Will be very nice. Let me just try. A little bit salt. And it's done. The beef I soak in apple vinegar. Now next part, turkey. I spread nicely and evenly. Just spread too flat. It's very nice. The last part I will put boiling eggs and roll. For this stuffing pork I use 5 hard boiling eggs. I insert in the middle. And next part I will just roll gently on this. The last part I will bite the meat very gently. Oh, the meat is tight and I'll add more spices because I didn't put any spices for my pork. Salt, black pepper, and red pepper. part I will bake in the oven 250 degrees. The roast is ready to bake, and I will pour a little bit water on the bottom. I don't want to put the extra fat because the pork shoulder was a little bit fat with the extra fat. Ready to roast. The roast is nice and gold. Now I'll cover with the foil and I'll keep for 1 more hour. I keep in the oven right now for 1 hour, and 1 more hour I'll be done. The Easter roast is done, and now we have to wait to cool down. Roast pork shoulder stuffed with ground turkey and eggs is done. It's an excellent idea for Easter. And if you like this video, make sure give me thumb up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make new recipe once a week, and I wish you all very happy Easter. Wesołych i pogodnych świąt wielkanocnych. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. And see you soon. Bye bye.